first, I mean, obviously technology has transformed what we can look at and know the state of our businesses, all sorts of key performance indexes. I think one of the biggest areas though is that whether people understand what's behind KPI and the transparency, like how transparent is it, how those KPIs are calculated and presented graphically, or some people generally don't know that much about it. They just say, well, if you use your systems, then these numbers mean that. So I think what happened is a lot of people, when I implemented construction companies, they did not understand their system. They never took the time to even understand it and understand their business and how the two related to each other and understand where things could go ways. So that transparency wasn't there from a visibility standpoint. So as you march forward in time and technology keeps moving, people go, well, we got to really start using these dash stuff because everybody else is, but they get them and they don't even know like what's behind them. So the KPIs are fantastic if people take the time to understand them, the visibility. And so I think that has been very transportive, and how relevant the KPI is because of like wearable technology and things like that, collecting information from the field. You can't afford not to do that today. People who aren't doing that, like I'm flabbergasted. And then understanding how it incorporates into other things so that all the status of the job today and using that to project out the future are both taken into consideration.